Hazel and the Windy Day, a tale of friendship and teamwork. One blustery autumn day, Hazel the hedgehog was out for a stroll through the forest. But the wind was stronger than she expected. The gusts blew her spines every which way, making them tangled and messy. "Oh dear," Hazel sighed, trying to smooth her spines, but the wind just made them worse. As she struggled, two rabbits, Ruby and Ron, hopped by. "What's wrong, Hazel?" Ruby asked, seeing her friend in trouble. "The wind is making a mess of my spines," Hazel said, looking down sadly. "I can't fix them." Ron twitched his nose. "Don't worry, Hazel, we'll help you." They called their friends, and soon a group of mice and birds gathered around. The mice squeaked and the birds chirped, all ready to lend a paw or wing. "Let's block the wind for Hazel," one of the birds suggested. The animals quickly formed a circle around Hazel, shielding her from the gusts. The birds flapped their wings, while the rabbits and mice stood close to block the breeze. Hazel smiled as she carefully fixed her spines, one by one. With the wind gone, it wasn't so hard after all. "Thank you, everyone," Hazel said, beaming. "You saved the day." "That's what friends do," Ruby said. "We stick together, even when the wind tries to blow us apart." With her spines neat again, and her heart full of gratitude, Hazel continued her walk, this time with all her friends by her side, ready to face the wind together. The end.